Hi everyone, this is Mike with a brief video about finding StatCrunch in the interactive assignments and in the homework assignments in my lab's statistics. Again, you'll be getting to these assignments using Blackboard, but when you're in an assignment, it'll look something like this. And when you press, so we're here in section 3.2, the interactive assignment, and finding StatCrunch information in the interactive assignment is slightly different than using it in the homework assignment. So I want to show you both in this video. So we're going to start the assignment in section 3.2, and this is going to take you, I'm actually wanting to send this out a little bit further into the assignment. So the assignment actually has some pieces to it, an introduction video and an objective in here. But I'm skipping ahead just a little bit to show you where you will find StatCrunch. And if we're going to come to this example here in Objective 2 in Section 3.2, you can see there are lots of pages in this interactive assignment. It's really important that you use the interactive assignments to help you learn and understand the material. But we're here in an example, and there's a problem about computing the standard deviation. Don't worry, at this point in the course you don't need to know what standard deviation is. You'll learn that in this interactive assignment. And you'll notice in the example there's an opportunity to show the approach for how to do the calculation, and it'll show you step by step through the process. So you can click through the steps and read them all, and then go through and it will show you a solution if you like. So it'll tell you what the final result should be. Now in general, whenever you see an approach or an example here where you can watch a video solution to do technology, I'm going to encourage you to use the technology to do the computations or to create the graphs and charts. So my advice is when you see technology step by step, to click on the technology step by step if that's what you want to view. And here you can see that you can learn how to do this on a TI calculator. You can learn how to do it in Excel. But I'm going to encourage you to use the StatCrunch tab as you're working through this. So look for the technology step by step buttons. You can also click on video solutions that are special to each individual approach. So here's a video solution that is shows you how to do the problem by hand. Here's a video solution that shows you how to do the problem using a TI calculator. This one is for Excel. And again, I'm going to encourage you to follow the StatCrunch solution processes so that you can follow along with what's going on. And you can see this will take you, it's about 1.5 minutes, and it'll show you all the steps for using StatCrunch to answer this question. So when you're in the examples, when you're in the interactive assignments, my advice to you is to be sure to use the video solutions that say StatCrunch here, and to use the technology step-by steps, and then click on the StatCrunch tab. Okay, now we're in a homework assignment, so you can see this homework assignment, which is related to the interactive assignment we were just looking at. And when you're in the middle of a homework assignment, you'll have a little screen here when there's data as part of the item that you're working on. When these data, you can open those in StatCrunch. So you want to look for this little icon here that looks like a couple of different windows open. And when you click on Open in StatCrunch, it'll generate a new window for you. And that window will show up with those data values already in there. And using the information that you gained from the step-by-step solution or the video solution about how to use StatCrunch, then you're going to take these data and you're going to perform a quick analysis, and then you're going to take that value that the data that StatCrunch gives you and enter it into one of these boxes as appropriate. So when you're working on the interactive assignments, make sure that you're looking for the technology solutions and the videos related to StatCrunch. When you're in homework assignments, especially when you're working with data, look for these little boxes here, this icon here that helps you open it in StatCrunch. Another way you can access StatCrunch in the homework assignments is to click on the question help button here, and you can just click on StatCrunch from there. The difference when you click on that is that you'll notice that the data values are not inserted into StatCrunch in that case, and you may have to copy and paste or manually type them in. So keep that in mind as you work through the interactive assignments and in the homework assignments. Be sure to use StatCrunch whenever you have to do a calculation. My advice to you is going to be not to use a TI calculator, not to use Excel for the purposes of this class, and definitely do not do these calculations by hand. Tools like StatCrunch are going to help us do them much more efficiently and quickly. Good luck!